AOSK has a louver which fits that little rear window. They fit really nice, and I show you now how to install them. First you wanna make sure you got left and right, so dry fit them. So this fits really snug. Then you see here the drain holes, they have water drain holes in case water accumulates there so it gets out. The next thing, you wanna clean the surface, and then you remove the tape, and then you can warm it up and stick it onto it. So let's get it cleaned with alcohol. Next thing I do is I remove these red protection films from the 3M tape. If you do it by hand, it's kind of hard to get them off. So I show you here, it takes you forever to get them actually off, and you need strong long fingernails. So all what I did is I used that little pliers, squeeze into it, and you're able to peel it off. It's also not super easy, but much easier than with the fingernails. Once you got the second one off, you wanna warm up the surface and also the part so it sticks better onto it. I just use a heat gun, go over it, make sure I have it in the hand the right way so I can stick it on later on right away. Then I just use a heat gun. You can also use a hairdryer, it doesn't have to be a heat gun. Now as it is warmed up, you check the surface, yes it is warm, everything is warm, and then line up on one of the three edges and just push it onto it. Give it a firm push. If you want, you could support it with some painter's tape. I don't think it's really necessary. I just give it a real hard push and let it sit for a few hours before I drove off with the car. And then as you see, it fits really nice. In the end of the video I will show you also some of the other side and how it looks in sunlight. Now let's do the same thing on the other side. Same thing, line up, make sure it's the right louver. Here again the drain holes, I hope you can see them well. Then again I use alcohol to clean it off. Next thing, again remove the red protection film. Again I use the pliers. Then I warm it up again. And again I go to one of the three sides, line up. Give it a real firm push all the way around. Then you're done. So now this is how the louvers look when they are installed. When you come here really close, you can even see here the tiny drain holes for the rain. I want to show you also the other side. It's the same thing, it's pretty neat installed. Drain holes here for the rain. And if you are interested in the carbon fiber version, check out Nick's channel, Nick Armstrong. I put his link in the video description. Here's the carbon fiber installed. I want to show you also the Amazon website with the product description. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I would really appreciate if you like it and subscribe to my channel.